I'm going to give this mic a thumb up, but I'm also... Hey everybody, Mark Labriola with Brand Viva here, doing another microphone review. And today I'm reviewing the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. Now this is the audio coming straight out of the mic. Now you'll probably notice that you can hear a lot of my room noise in it, and that is because it is a condenser microphone. And unless I'm right here on the microphone, you're going to hear a lot of the room unless the room is treated. So the mic comes with a nifty little stand here, and it's probably about 12 inches to 15 inches away from my mouth right now, and this is the sound that I'm getting. So you can imagine that if this was on your desk and you had your computer up here doing a Zoom call, it may increase the quality of your audio, but not necessarily make it really full and present sounding. In order to do that, you're going to want to get this microphone on some sort of arm or maybe even a stand that's just a little bit taller so that you can have it close to your mouth and have a more present sound to it. Otherwise, I really think unless you're in a treated space, this mic is not really going to be a good solution for you. Now, the thing I like about this mic is actually the software. So if you're doing a live stream, whether that's Facebook Live, Instagram Live, LinkedIn, so the app actually allows you to send audio through it. So you could say, for instance, select Chrome as an audio source. Say you want to trigger an intro and outro of your podcast and want to mix that into your live stream. Well, with the soundboard app and some sounds, you can connect the Wave 3 application to that program and then trigger those sounds and they will come through on your stream. Welcome to the Friday Habit with Benjamin Manley and Mark Labriola II. That is one thing that's always been kind of difficult to do without using a lot of different hacks in order to add audio to your streams. And so I think that's one of the most powerful things about this microphone is that it comes with that app. Now, the downside is that app only works with this microphone. So you're not able to just download the app and use those features. You actually have to have this mic plugged in for the app to activate and actually work. It's got controls on the front of it. It's got a single knob here. You can see it's got that knob right there on the front. And what this allows you to do is select your headphone volume. It allows you to select your mic volume, so you can turn that up or down. And then it also allows you to select the mix in the sense of what exactly you're hearing from your mic and what is potentially going on your computer. It is a USB-C device, and so that will allow you to plug into your computer via USB-C and power the mic as well. And it does have a mute switch on the top of it just by tapping it. You can see here, I'll show you this real quick. If you tap it again, now you can hear me. So an easy way to just touch mute yourself. So overall, I would say this mic is pretty decent. Again, you need to get it up so that it has a nice present sound. Being far away from you, I would say, is just not acceptable. It does come with this heavy-duty stand, but the mic itself does feel kind of plasticky. One of the most standout things about this is probably the price. It's only $158. So really, if you can kind of get this mic in the right settings, have it close to your mouth, you have all the great features that come with the app, $158 is pretty decent. So I'm going to give this mic a thumb up, but I'm also not going to say that it's the best mic I've ever used or say that it's something that I would recommend for a podcast or some other scenario where you need really high quality present audio. But yeah, hey, thank you guys so much. I hope you got something from this review, and I will see you when I see you.